Hey YouTube, this is Skating Shark Steel 101. Right now I'm in my room. Yeah. And right now I'm gonna show you this Zippo. This is a regular one and works and everything. Now here's the thing. I got this at Walmart. People say that the ones from Walmart suck, but this is like any other Zippo. It opens, lights, shuts. Hold on. This thing. This right here comes out. Yeah, I can't holding the camera. Anyway, yeah, comes out and everything. Yeah, you can refill it, but yeah, I don't know why they suck. It's like a normal Zippo that you buy online or whatever. But yeah, you can do anything with it, pretty much. Like whatever you could do with the other ones. Could. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't know why they're so bad. Tell me why. Comment down below. Zippo. Bye.